In this video, we delve into the mysteries of black holes, starting with Albert Einstein's general theory of relativity in 1916, which laid the groundwork for the concept of black holes. Despite initial skepticism, the discovery of Cygnus X-1 in the 1960s provided concrete evidence of black holes' existence. Today, scientists estimate there could be 100 million black holes in the Milky Way alone, though their elusive nature makes precise counting difficult. Black holes are regions in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. They consist of three layers: the outer and inner event horizons, and the singularity at the core, where the laws of physics as we know them cease to exist. The event horizon marks the boundary beyond which nothing can return, while the singularity is a point of infinite density. Studying black holes is challenging because we can't send probes into them. Instead, scientists observe the radiation and gravitational effects on nearby objects. Recent advances, such as the first clear image of a black hole, M87, in 2021, have provided more insight into their structure and behavior. Theories about what lies inside black holes range from the idea that they could be gateways to other galaxies or universes, to the possibility that they are holograms, as suggested. The ongoing study of black holes is crucial as it could unlock new knowledge about the universe, potentially revealing connections between different galaxies and leading to discoveries about the fundamental nature of reality. As scientists continue to explore these cosmic phenomena, we may come closer to understanding the true nature of black holes and their role in the cosmos.